Welcome class to Group 2's presentation on our ping pong game project for course CMSC 495. Our group consists of Asha Azaria Cribs, our technical writer, myself, Jonah Schumann, our project leader and a programmer, and Zelik Warsaw, our programmer. I do apologize if I mispronounced either of your names. The contents of this presentation are as follows. The project overview will provide a general description of the contents of the project. Project design will provide a look at the UML diagram for the project and will detail the design that went into the graphical interface and the code. Gameplay will provide a description of the various parts to the game and provide a short video demonstration of using the app and playing the game. As a conclusion, achievements will describe what our team feels has been accomplished by our efforts in this group project, and a short thank you. For our team project, Group 2 agreed to develop a ping pong video game. This application was designed for PC using Java and can be played on any operating system that can run a jar file, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. We have developed this project over the past 8 weeks, with the first 4 dedicated to preliminary documentation and design, and the last 4 focusing on the source code and completing the documentation. The final UML diagram can be viewed on the right, displaying the general organization of the classes and methods that make up the project. Besides the main class, which contains the main method and acts as a hub for transitioning between the other classes using the existing screen enum class, the code can be divided into 3 groups: the graphical interface, the GUI, the game screen, and the graphics objects. The GUI consists of 3 J panels: the title screen, the pause screen, and the win screen. Each contains appropriate buttons for navigating the application. The game screen is another J panel and manages the graphics, animation, and key input for the game. Finally, the graphics objects are the paddle and ping pong classes, which are rectangle graphics and contain the appropriate methods for drawing and animating them. The gameplay of the application can be broken down into starting the game using the title screen and its button for starting and setting multiplayer, playing the game on the game screen using the paddles and the appropriate key controls, winning the game at 5 points, whoever gets there first, and pausing the game, which can be used by pressing the P button to bring up the pause screen and then resuming or returning to title as appropriate. I will now show a video providing a quick demonstration of using the app. The application, as seen here, has been compressed into an executable jar file, which we can easily access just by double-clicking. The first screen to pop up is the title screen, which contains the title as well as 2 buttons and a checkbox. The checkbox can be used to turn on or off multiplayer, and the buttons are respectively exiting the game and actually starting the game. We'll have multiplayer on for simplicity's sake. Starting the game shows the ping pong moving across the screen to bounce off of one of the paddles. The paddle, well, in theory, can intercept. The right paddle is player 1, which allows which can be moved using the arrow keys. The left paddle can be moved using the WS keys, respectively up and down. Player 2, has just won, revealing the win screen with player 2 having won, and the respective score at the end of the game, 5-1. Restarting the game allows us to show the final feature, which is the pause screen, which allows one to resume the game or just return to title. This project has a number of achievements to it. Our team worked together and successfully developed a working game application. We applied project management techniques and communicated well together to accomplish our goal. This experience should be very beneficial to our careers as it provides an example of solid remote teamwork on a software development project. Thank you for watching this short presentation, and thank you, team, for your hard work.